It's your girl Joy Lene, and I'm here today with a new video. If you haven't already done so, please check out my last video where I recreated a look from Beyonce's Black is King. I'll link it for you guys up top here. If not, then let's go ahead and get started. I've been working really hard lately, and I decided, you know what, Joy? Treat yourself. And that's exactly what I did. I made my first high-end purchase. Now, it's not extremely high-end. I'm not talking Dior, Chanel, Louis. I ain't got it like that. But I did do like, you know how it's like with cars, it's like there's like luxury and then there's like high-end, like for example, Acura might be, you know, considered luxury, whereas, you know, your Porsche is your high-end. Yeah, your girl splurged over here for an Acura, okay? Not the physical car, this is just my analogy. But I did purchase an item and I'm going to unbox it with you guys. So let's go. So I have my box here with my item. As you see, I have yet to open it. It's still sealed. I legit wanted to unbox it with you guys and have you guys see my first reaction to it. Now, obviously, I ordered it, so I know pretty much the gist of what it's going to look like online, but I want to, you know, get the feel of it and everything with you guys. So let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, by the way, one of my love languages is gifts, so needless to say, my tank is pretty full today. And for those of you who don't know, I love shopping. If you follow me on Instagram, I'm sure you've already got somewhat of an idea of a feel. But shopping is legit my therapy. There's just something so therapeutic about purchasing something for yourself. It's a great form of me time, because it's just very just calming to look at whatever it is that I'm interested in, whether it's books, whether it's makeup, it's clothes. It's calming to just look at these items and I'll add them to my cart. Now, it's very therapeutic because your girl budgets. If you don't budget and if you don't have the funds and you're just out here blowing money fast, then it may not be therapeutic, sis. But when you have, you know, when you budget correctly, then it can be therapeutic. Okay, you guys ready? Well, hold on. Okay. Let's see what we have. I gotta take her out the plastic. You guys don't need to hear all my ruffling. Alright, so I have officially unwrapped everything. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is my wallet. I got this wallet. Oop, that's the back side. I got this wallet. You guys see it here in focus? Just a little mini small wallet to go with it. And it's also really cool during this pandemic time, so that when I go into the store, I don't have to take my whole entire nice bag with me, because I wipe off everything, so this way I don't have to worry about disinfecting it, wiping it down, or it feeling just like, it's gross and nasty. I can just bring this and not bring everything. And it has the card slots in the front, so I don't even need to unzip it. I can go ahead, put my ID and then my card. And then also they have this part in here. More paper, my goodness. Okay. And then you can just clip it on. I can clip it on my belt loop or whatever I want to, but it's super duper cute. And it's this standard Coach, and then this I think it's like a navy color. It's not black. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's a pretty navy color, and I really like it. And I got this on sale because Coach Outlet just had a bomb sale, which is why I made this purchase. I'll get the prices for you guys in a little bit on this one. But what we really came here for, isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? She's so... Oh, okay, look at this. Oh my goodness, she is so freaking pretty. Look at this finely stitched leather. Like, this is really nice. And I'm usually not a fan of things that have like the name all over it, but I don't mind just to see, because there's just something so elegant about it. Not gonna lie, definitely thought this was going to be bigger. But I love the gold accents here and just everything. And let's explore it together. I have a nice little zipper front pocket, which I can go ahead and just slide my phone in the front. And then you have these prongs at the bottom, so it'll, you know, sit up nice and neatly. When you put it down, you don't have to worry about, you know, you're flopping over or anything like that. And then they have the little side things, little hoops on the side. where you can put your strap on. So I can go ahead and just clip on my strap, and then I can wear it like that, or I can take off the straps or tuck the straps inside if I want, and just wear it on your wrist. Just carry, which is how I'll probably carry it, because I just need to be bougie when I wear this. Like, oh, you've seen this new Coach? Check me out, okay? And then when we open it, let's see. Oh yeah, that's a nice glide right there. When I open, I have more stuff. That's what I have. In case you guys are wondering, there was a lot of stuff in that bag. So if you order from Coach, trust and believe it is getting to your house safe and secure. But yeah, so I unzipped it. And as you see here, that's a lot of space, ladies and gentlemen. That's a good amount of space. And it has the tag right here on the inside, so you know it's real. And there's a little inside zipper pocket. That's where I would keep like my floss or like my EpiPen. I'm allergic to bees. Something like that. And then on the other side, there's this flap here. That's probably where I would keep like my floss or a mirror, something that I want to be able to quickly access. And at the bottom will be my dumping pit for all of the many things that us women carry on a daily basis. But overall, I'm very pleased. I love the color. This is the perfect fall bag. And I know that I live in Florida, and a lot of people are like, there's no seasons in Florida, there's no fall colors, things like that. But I'm originally from Jersey, so I'm a Jersey girl, and I wholeheartedly believe in fall colors. So this is my fall bag, but it's super duper pretty. It's classic, it's timeless, and honestly, I can't wait to use it. Okay, so this bag retails, the original price was $328. Now, me personally, I would have not paid $328. It would have been a little bit too small for me for that price. I know I'm paying for the materials and the production, the name and all of that, but your girl just would not have paid $328, not for this. What I paid was $119, so it was on sale, and I pretty much got it for, actually I got it for more than 50% off. The sale was bomb. I'm actually gonna look and see if it's still going on, and if it is, I'll drop the information down below for you guys, and I'll still link it below just in the event that you wanna, you know, get the bag and you like it a lot. And then for my wallet, let's see, for those I paid 29 bucks. And again, I know you're probably thinking like, this is really small, but for this to be Coach and for the material that this is made out of, that's a really, really great price. And again, it, you know, has the slots and has the zipper and the keychain. So for it to be on sale for $29, it was a great price. So again, this was $29, and then this one was $119. So overall, you know, I'm not mad at it, and I'm very pleased, and I cannot wait to use this bag. So one more spin for you guys. That you enjoyed my unboxing video, and if you guys aren't already, please be sure to follow me on pure.joylifestyle on Instagram. I'll be posting pictures of myself with this bag and just more feature details on this bag. So if you guys don't want to miss out on all the deets, be sure to follow me on Instagram, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe. I'm trying to get my subscribers up, but I really do appreciate the view. I appreciate if you share, you comment, and if you like, subscribe, all of that. Thanks, guys.